The Thursday the 13th event I was telling you about was a smash. People showed up who I hadn't seen in ages. Friends, former clients. I had plenty of clients in the room. People who I hadn't seen since I first started my company 8 years ago. There was even a woman there who knew me since I was like 11, back in the day playing tennis. The event felt more like a reunion or party than a social media workshop. The room was at capacity. The place was packed. They couldn't fit anyone else. They wouldn't let anyone else in. People were ferociously writing notes because of the nuggets I was sharing. Implementable, innovative how-tos. What to do on your social media sites. What to do when you go onto LinkedIn. What do you do with all those LinkedIn connections? How to make the most of Instagram in 2020. From the reactions of the audience, it was clear that this was a much needed topic, a much needed presentation. Connect with me on LinkedIn or on Instagram at Italina K. What group do you know that would find value in a social media presentation like this? Can't wait to hear from you.